Hi, good evening to all of you. So today we will start doing our group discussion video 4. First of all, let me introduce each of our members first. So this is Wan Qing. Okay, so this is Jia Qi. This is Jia Zhe, Ji Jian, Nabila, Fakro, Jin Yong, Jin Yi, Joy, Chua Chiu Ping, Su Ji Kyung. Okay, so let's start our discussion today.
Okay. Today, basically, each of us will update about what we have done, so that we can proceed with our video shooting next week. So let us start with the videographer first. The double on.
The double.
For the camera, we already find 2 cameras. One is for the backup. So,
and also we have considered the problem of the sound system that it will be not clear. So our solution to that problem is we will try to find a more quiet place to record the video, and also we will have a phone to record the voice at the same time to so that we will have a backup for Wan Qing when she try to edit the video if the sound system is not clear. So I think it's all from videographer.
What model of camera you use?
We already borrowed the camera. I forgot it's Canon or DSLR from our friend.
Okay.
Yeah, and another one maybe we will just use the phone because it's quite hard to find 2 cameras like that. Zijian, do you have one?
I will buy it.
About you suggest that we will do it in a more quiet place, but how if if we get someone in a bus stop, how are we going to get a quiet place nearby?
Maybe we can direct him or her to a quiet place, or as I say, we will use maybe we will invite them to into
You
nearby
use
locality.
food to lure them to somewhere else.
It's not a proper word. Okay, I think that's all from you all.
Yes.
Okay, and then I will have edited.
Okay, so the software will be using is Sony Vegas, and the software is already installed already, and all the functions I have tried, so it's well functioning. And I have looked some of the templates, means how to edit the video first, so to get some idea, but still processing. I did not get a suitable template for us. Yeah.
Can you give us a few suggestions about how should we shoot the video so that it's easier for you to edit?
Actually, I have some in my mind is try to make the the front part looks about the same. Means you don't want to change the direction like somehow like this, like the interviewer here or the respondent here or respondent here or interviewer here, means same side.
Oh.
You get what I mean? Means if the interviewers at the first is at the right side, means all through is at the right side. Get what I mean? Because I want to get somehow like the PSA video example, because that one is very nice. Yeah, you can cut 3 times like
The
that.
arrangement of the
Yeah,
scene.
should be the constant. Don't want to mix up or something. Yes.
Okay, that's all from you.
Yes.
And then we will have the waiter and waitresses. Waitress.
Okay. Can you see today what I went? It's the waiter uniform. Just kidding.
Can you stand up and show to the camera?
Okay.
Okay. Any update?
So far I think we just think of some materials that we need to prepare on the day, which are
The materials are plastic containers. Maybe we will use toothpick for respondents to get the foods be prepared, and then tissues. We will prepare some tissue paper for them to clean their hands. We will prepare paper cups and also drinking water for rinsing their mouth. Because they have to taste different kind of foods, so it is advisable for them to rinse their mouth before they try to eat another food.
We need to show our professionalism to them. And as well, we will try to get apron so that we can show our professionalism as waitress and waiter.
By the way, I doubt the usage of toothpick because it's maybe it's hard to how to
So-
grab the food.
So maybe we can change it to fork.
Okay.
Fork shouldn't be any problem, right?
Can you explain about how
What we are going to do during the
yeah.
So basically you just serve the food when there's a respondent coming to us, and you assist the interviewer as well to give the food to the interviewer first, and then pass it to respondent, or straight or directly pass to respondent also can. Depends on how the situation on the time.
So Jiaqi, will both of you appear in the scene at the same time?
No, because I think too many people inside the scene will make more confusing.
So how you and CK will take turn?
One of us, because we will take turns. If the first respondent, CK will approach him or her, and then I will be the next one to approach the respondent.
Okay. Anything else?
I think that's all.
Then we'll have our food managers.
So we suggest the food for last video is kuih muih from different races of Asia, satay, tang yen, mutton curry or rendang. And after me and Yazir do a research around this area and discuss, so actually it's quite difficult to find satay, tang yen, mutton curry and rendang. So we decide to only prepare the kuih muih from different races, but maybe two types of kuih muih from each races. So the kuih muih we will prepare is for Malay dessert. We will prepare curry puff, and then small burger. Small burger. Malay burger is
Have cucumber.
cucumber inside.
What do you call it?
Oh, pau sambal.
No, it's a small burger.
Sambal burger.
Small burgers. Yeah. And then for Chinese dessert, we will buy ang ku kueh, and then tau sa piang. It's kind of biscuit. You can try it when you buy your dessert. Then for Indian dessert, we will actually buy. It's quite hard to find, but we'll try our best. So far, we haven't decided what kind of dessert we'll buy. So, Yazir will explain.
I am CK and sorry, we are researched first. Then we found three places can get food. One is the offline in the UPM, and then it's the Indian restaurant. The third one is Chinese restaurant in Syria, Amsterdam.
Actually, we will buy the Malay dessert from the open day in the morning, and then we'll try to buy the Chinese dessert at the from veggie restaurant near the Grand Union there, Grand Union supermarket there, the Sisitang there, and then we'll try to find the Indian dessert that is seasonal also. So the cost, the estimated cost is about 20 ringgit, because Chinese dessert is quite expensive. Yeah. And then we decide to buy in 5, then we can eat it 2. It's okay.
Finally, I think the POP's manager maybe can provide the food container. It's maybe convenient for us.
So are you going to keep warm like any?
I think
Mostly the kuih muih will not So is it okay if we cut the kueh into 2 pieces? So who is going to
Cut.
Yeah, I will settle it. Okay, sorry.
You can discuss with waiter and waitress later.
So yeah, you and Zijan were in charge of the food. You don't need the help from.
No. You can enter it over.
Oh yeah,
Okay. Okay. Anything to add on? That's all. Okay. Then we will have our interviewer.
Yes.
Based on the last discussion, then we have decided 7 questions that we will ask them. But not all the questions we will ask them. There are some people.
Yes. We will first we will introduce the dishes itself to the respondents, including the ingredients. We will tell them the ingredients, the background itself of the food, because it came from different ethnicities and things like that. And the time usually we serve those foods. Curry puff, say curry puff, we serve all the time, right? Things like that. Tapi maybe for Chinese,
Also serve what?
serve all the time also. Okay, then all the time also. So after they have sampled the food, then we will ask whether do they like the food. So maybe we will ask them to rate from 1 to 5 or maybe 1 to 10 out of and the expectations before they actually try based on our introduction and the actual taste of the dishes itself and their own opinion. Can they accept it because our palates are different from others? For Chinese, they may not be using much spices, but in Indian dishes they use a lot of it. So out of the 12, 20 dishes, is it 5 dishes?
2 from each dish.
So out of 6, which one they like the most? And what actually that's what we actually serve is actually a very small sample of the everything that we have to offer in Malaysia, right? So maybe what do they actually knew from their stay here in Malaysia? What do they like the most? Maybe nasi lemak, roti canai, maybe kari mata and rendang daging, right?
So because the video is very short, it's only 15 minutes. So how long will it take to interview one person?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Then it will be, you need to do it very fast. Maybe we will not include the introduction of the food part in the video.
Yeah.
So maybe some of your scenes will not be included because due to the restriction of time. So now will you ask all the 7 questions to each of the respondents?
Only few questions to the respondent. Maybe ask about their opinion. Maybe their opinion maybe be long. So maybe we will ask few questions. Depends on the situation.
Yes.
Then I think just a reminder. I think maybe you need to have a timekeeper to remind you about the time. Maybe you can assign anyone that has nothing to do on the day to take care of the time. So lastly from me about the props. So basically I think I can help some of you to prepare the materials or the things needed just now, like you say what food container and also like what the materials needed from the waiter and waitress. But then I also think I need to prepare a tray for you to hold, food tray, and also I think it's better for me to have the food tag on each food tag, like tag their name like on the food. So is that okay, or I need not to do that?
For the food or
On the food container.
How do you plan to serve it? Because if you see it's on the tray, then you have individual containers.
Maybe I have to look for
there's a few compartments. So maybe you can put a different compartment, then we can take lesser container instead of bringing 6 containers for each.
Yeah, I will try to go first, then I will let you all know. So, I think that's all for today. Before I end the discussion, anyone want to say something or what, like add on their ideas?
I think for the Indian food, I can say the monkey leg for the VMAG, monkey leg, and maybe you can be monku.
Even Vadi is actually quite easy enough to find.
The Legion restaurant nearby the service.
Yeah, I thought Legends restaurant, but they are now under
Closed.
renovation.
Oh, so sad. Yeah. It's okay, they are paying.
Whether I try my best.
If it's so, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your contribution to the discussion.
Thank you.